Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH and ito ang reading ninyo, monthly reading for September 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And kung gusto nyo, mag-ingat nga pala kayo muna no, sa mga scammers. I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo dyan sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar link on the description or comment section. Okay, Scorpio. Caution, maging maingat daw. Extra careful ngayong September. Iwasan ng mga careless things. Yung mga risky things. Ayan, yung mga major decision na hindi ka sigurado. Tsaka yung pipirma ka ng kontrata, hindi mo binasa, 'di ba? Magiging careless 'yon. So yun yung isa sa mga kailangan ninyong pag-ingatan ngayong September. Overthinking. Okay. Maaring iba sa inyo, isa ito sa kailangan nyo rin pag-ingatan yung pag-iisip ng malalim masyado mga Scorpio kasi malalim talagang mag-isip. Like, hindi pa naiisip ng iba, naintindihan nyo na. Oo. And ang dami na niyang sanga-sanga. So this is something that you need to be more aware of, no? Especially sa health rin ninyo. You have the leap of faith. Oh, okay. So I think this is about yung mga risks na ita-take mo. Na it's okay to take risks kung alam mo na pinag-isipan mo siyang maigi. Okay? Kasi pag masyado naman tayong playing safe, hindi rin natin ma-experience yung better experiences, kumbaga. Kasi lagi tayong nasa safe space. I think this is also the time for you to go on an adventure, but at the same time, maging maingat sa mga adventures na papasukin. Okay, overall energy, 7 of Swords. Pagdating sa intentions, kailangan din na maingat rin sa mga intentions ninyo sa ibang tao. Kasi pwedeng kumbaga may ma-reveal. Merong ma-reveal dito. For example, pwede rin naman kasing reversal ang role, yung energy. Kung meron ka mga not so good intentions sa ibang tao, maaring ma-reveal to ngayong September. Or vice versa. Kung merong mga ill intentions sa iyo ang ibang tao, it will be revealed. Like kung ano yung totoong intentions, you may be seeing some red flags. Sa mga makakasalamuha mo. What is the 7 of Swords? 9 of Pentacles. When it comes to money, finances. So be careful. Dealing with people na masyadong parang too good to be true. Pag sinabing too good to be true, then probably it is really too good to be true. And mag-ingat rin sa flexing. No? Yung, kumbaga, I know ang mga Scorpio, mysterious, no? Tahimik. And at the same time, secretive. Kaya lang there are times na we want to prove something sa ibang tao. And nako-compromise yung safety. So, ingat-ingat sa mga pag-flex ng mga bagay-bagay sa life nyo. Challenge, 3 of Wands. Okay, some of you, Scorpio, ang challenge sa inyo dito is how are you going to explore your opportunities. Okay? Kasi maaring pinipresenta na sa inyo yan ngayon eh. It is already being presented to you, the opportunities. Now, sometimes you overthink things na bakit ko gagawin to talaga bang kailangan ko itong gawin, paano kung ganito yung mangyari, paano kung gano'n. So, ang tendency is nagkakaroon ng procrastination. We tend to not take action because of the fear of experiencing the result of your action. Oo. Kaya nga, meron ditong sinasabi na leap of faith. Yes, take a leap of faith. But at the same time, be cautious rin sa yung mga actions na gagawin. And of course, you have to connect to your instinct and intuition kasi yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng guide. If you feel like something is off, something is wrong, di ba? Edi don't engage yourself in that situation. Now, the opportunity, the Two of Pentacles. This is about juggling things, no? You are a lot of work. You have the opportunity to be very busy ngayong September. Although, okay yung busy, no? But, you have to balance your time and energy kasi pwedeng meron kang makalimutan or maisang tabi na importante pala. The Three of Swords. So, yeah, this is something that you have to be careful. You have the opportunity also to fix or heal something about your finances, your money. Okay? Kung gagawa ka ng action. Halimbawa, merong mga financial issues ng mga nakaraan. So, maaring may opportunity na darating sa'yo na mag-add ng additional source of income, no, para ma-overcome mo yung financial struggle. Now, the blessing, the Hierophant. You will be blessed with knowledge, wisdom na kailangan mo to move forward and to move on and to bring in abundance sa buhay mo. This can also mean mentorship, teaching, learning. So, maaring may blessing of learning, maaring may magbibigay sa'yo ng scholarship, or you will get this free knowledge somewhere else na malaking tulong para sa'yo. You also have the Fool, so this is a new experience for you. So, there's a blessing in new experiences for you ngayong September. Can be anything, no? Na ang paiiralin mo rito, yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo, if this is really good for you. If this will improve your knowledge and skill set, then that's a good thing. Diba? Meron kang achievement. You will be recognized. Meron kang, diba sa inyo, pwedeng literal, umaakyat kayo ng bundok. Meron kayong maakyat na bundok, no? Sa summit. May conquest. Oh my God, Scorpio, talagang sinasabi rito that you gotta take that risk. Take a chance, okay? Because you will see those results. You are also reclaiming your power. Some of you are going to focus also sa manifestation skills ninyo, like you will create something na i-declare mo na ito ay isang success para sa'yo. So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.